In this video, you will learn how to take advantage of your Sugar platform using the role-based dashboard specially designed for executives. The Executive Dashboard is your comprehensive tool, providing a bird's-eye view of the business's performance. It covers crucial aspects such as sales, win-loss ratio, and trends in time to resolution for cases, ensuring you are always well-informed. You can find the Executive Dashboard in the navigation bar. To access it, go to the three dots menu near the Home icon and select the Executive Dashboard from the list. This dashboard contains 12 dashlets that executives can use to view specific data and insights in Sugar. Let's review what data each of them provides. First, we have the Total Sales by Quarter dashlet, which displays the Total Sales by Quarter report template, a report showing the total sales for each quarter of the year. The report is grouped by opportunity type and shows the number of closed-won opportunities expected to close each quarter. Next is Rep Win-Loss Ratio dashlet, which displays the Ops Closed 1V lost by Rep report template. This report shows the number of closed won or closed lost opportunities grouped by assigned user and status. The opportunities are summarized by the sum of the likely revenue. Sales Leaderboard displays the report template with the same name, showing the number of closed won revenue line items grouped by assigned user. Revenue year over year displays the number of closed won revenue line items grouped by the year they are expected to close. Next is the Sales Pipeline, which counts the number of open revenue line items grouped by sales stage. Deals this quarter is a List View dashlet that displays a list of opportunities with an expected close date of this quarter. The next item is a dashlet called Pipeline by Month. Forecast Include Exclude. This dashlet shows a report template with the same name. It displays the number of open revenue line items that are either included or excluded from the forecast grouped by expected close date, month, and forecast stage. New leads this quarter by lead source counts number of leads created this quarter grouped by lead source. The Marketing Campaign Return on Investment dashlet counts the number of closed-won opportunities that originated from a lead generated by a campaign. These opportunities are grouped by campaign name and summarized by the sum of likely revenue, so you can see which campaigns generated the most opportunities and revenue. Next is the New Cases Opened by Month dashlet, which shows the number of cases grouped by the month in which they were created. Cases that missed the first response, SLA, is a report template that displays the number of cases that missed their first response according to your service level agreements in the last 7 days. The last dashlet on the Executive Dashboard is Closed Cases by Time to Resolution. It shows the number of closed cases grouped by assigned user and summarized by average hours to resolution. You may notice that some dashlet runtime filters are blocked as they are already being used in a dashboard filter. We will explain this in a different video. Whether you are an executive in the sales or service department, this dashboard is an excellent resource for you to successfully accomplish and exceed your job requirements and drive business growth. Stay tuned to learn more about other Sugar role-based dashboards.